Welcome to Quaint Rotterdam Junction. This home is set in the Schalmont School District. Please come on in and take a look. With granite countertops, a breakfast bar, and lots of counter space, you'll love this kitchen that opens into the generous living spaces of this home. This open concept living room and kitchen together make entertaining space so amazing. Look at this multifunctional room with vaulted ceilings, perfect for a dining area or a cozy up by the fireplace this fall. This fantastic three-season room expands your usable and entertaining space in the yard. Look at the nice fenced yard. This is a corner lot, but it is huge. Wait until you see it.